Good evening, good evening, good evening on this blessed Monday evening. Coming on with some of my real struggle strength, of course, and my kick talk to give you a little motivation to go into your week with. And I hope you guys have had a blessed day by far and getting ready for an even more blessed remainder of your week. All right, tonight's message is silence your sound. Silence your sound. Fix your focus and change the view. Silence your sound, fix your focus, and change your view, people. You understand what I'm saying? Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. You understand what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to use your words in silence. You understand? Sometimes you just got to think them thoughts and be quiet. You understand? Everything don't have to be said. Nothing don't have to be said at some time. Everything don't have to be vocalized what you thinking. You understand? You don't even have to give a remark to everything that is said to you. Again, silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. And be patient in the storm and focus on the sunshine after. You understand? That's why you got to fix your focus and change your view. You understand? Even when a storm brewing and it's faulty weather. You understand what I'm saying? You still got to keep your focus fixed. You understand what I'm saying? You still got to look for the real view that's coming ahead. That's that sunshine after the storm. You feel what I'm saying? And happy people focus on what they have. Unhappy people focus on what is missing. That's why you got to appreciate every little thing that you got. That's why you got to be happy and smile with the small. You understand what I'm saying? That's why you got to drop that anchor and dock with the Lord so he can show you every struggle you're struggling. That's why you got to get G'd up. You understand what I'm saying? Silence your sound, fix your focus, and change your point of view. And laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. Mr. Walt Disney said that. I'm going to say that one more time. Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. You understand what I'm saying? You got to keep hope alive at all times. You got to keep hope alive. You understand? Laughter is timeless. You see what I'm saying? It's the small things that count. And one of my good friends, every time when I talk to him every day, you know what he say? When I say, how you doing today? He say, good to be here. You understand what I'm saying? It's good to be here. Now that's appreciation because you even woke up this morning. That should be your main thing you thankful for. You understand? And check this out. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Dr. Robert Scholar said that. Tough times never last, but tough people do. That's why you got to be strong. That's why you got to hold on. You understand? That's why you cannot fall for every little thing. That's why you can't be involved. That's why you got to grow as you go. You understand what I'm saying? That's why you want to silence your sound. That's why you want to fix your focus. That's why you want to change your view. You understand what I'm saying? So that you can be one of them tough people that last. And I never knew how strong I was until I had to forgive someone who wasn't even sorry and accept an apology I never received. You understand what I'm saying? That's when you know that you wholehearted. You understand? That's when you know that you fully genuine with everything that you do. And always pray to have eyes that see the best, a heart that forgives the worst, and a mind that forgets the bad with a soul that never loses faith, baby. And I'm going to say that one more time as well. Always have eyes that see the best. A heart that forgives the worst. A mind that forgets the bad. And a soul that never loses fear. That's why you got to drop that anchor again and dock with the Lord. You understand what I'm saying? That's why you got to get G'd up. You feel what I'm saying? Let me tell you something. It takes real struggle strength to make it make sense. The usual common sense. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all better come on with it. Y'all better feel me. Y'all better feel me in the algorithm. You understand what I'm saying? Let me tell you this. Once in your life, you will come across a special person that might make you happy, support you, and make you a better person. Don't let them go. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. You understand what I'm saying? And Mr. Victor Hugo said that. Life is too ironic. It takes sadness to know what happiness is. It takes noise to appreciate silence and absence to value somebody's presence. Oh, Lord. It takes sadness to know what happiness is. Noise to appreciate silence and absence to value presence. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Y'all better understand what I'm saying. Y'all better understand the facts of life, baby. You want to come in my life? Guess what? The door is open. You want to get out my life? The door is open. But I got one request. Don't stand in the door because you blocking the traffic. If that means if somebody don't want to stay, you let them go. And if somebody want to stay, you let them stay. Because 9 times out of 10, them the people who really love you. You understand? You got to kill a noise. You got to kill a noise. You got to get the static. Don't let the static stop you. Let it bounce, baby. You understand what I'm saying? Silence your sound. Fix your focus. And change your point of view, people. Y'all drop that and get dark with the Lord. Let him show you every struggle you're strong. Get cheated. I love y'all. And this is Cake Talk. Be safe.